How to use Adobe Sign for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you would be requiring Adobe Acrobat, and you can type Adobe Acrobat online in case if you don't have it on your PC or laptop. Just simply search it up on Google and open it up. And this is how it will look like. And here on the top menu, you would be able to find this section called e-sign. Here you get the option to request signatures. In case if you want to request signatures from someone else, then just simply send the document to them and they would be able to sign that particular document. In case if you already have a document yourself and you want to add the signature to it, just simply select this particular option of add a signature, and this way you would be able to add the document and then sign it up. In case if you want to fill a document yourself and after that you want to add the signature, then select this one. All you have to do is just click on it, and after that you just have to drag and drop the file over here, and this way this file will be uploaded over here and you can add the signature quite easily. This is a simple process and you would be able to do it quite easily. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.